Pre-party.
Hey guys, I'm here with my boyfriend again. I went to Thailand a few weeks ago.
Yeah, I was not with you.
No. I went with my mom and my brother and we just had a vacation there. And I decided to bring home some goodies and me and Rikard, we're gonna try some of it today.
Yeah.
And it's a whole bag.
Okay, starting from the top. This one has got a Japanese flag, or that's in focus. A Japanese flag right there.
Yeah, so we don't know if it's Japanese or Thai, but it's Asian at least, so...
I would figure it's...
teriyaki fish.
Yeah, it's, it's probably teriyaki fish in the shape of nachos. That's only in Sweden though. You can't do that.
You can't.
That's called estrellari.
It's like a boat.
It's a really strong smell. Oh, whoa.
Is it fishy?
Wow, that smells like fish. 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. That's what you say, right? Yeah. A countdown. 3, 2, 1. That's not too bad actually. Yeah, the smell is fish, the taste is teriyaki.
Yeah.
I wouldn't buy it if I had it in Sweden.
No.
Mainly because of the smell, and it's got a pretty...
You're stuck in your teeth.
Yeah, it's got a pretty... That's nice.
Is there also teriyaki? Spicy teriyaki flavored.
It totally disappears in the background. Oh, 3, 2, 1. No, that's not. It's just the shape of green peas.
Yeah.
It's all fluffy inside, like not much to work with.
They were kind of good. Oh.
Yeah, they're
now
a bit
it's spicy.
They are?
After a while.
Cheese doodles mixed with cardboard.
Yeah. Not that fun.
Not flaming chili spicy.
Not bun bun.
Definitely not bun bun. Okay, next one.
Is this like Japanese or? Yeah, it's Japanese.
Yeah, I think it says marshmallow here.
Okay, so we guess that this is a kind of marshmallow thing with blueberry flavor filling.
Yeah, well, look at that. It's even in English again.
3,
2, 1.
I'm going to one and a half. Oh, it's red.
That's not blueberry. Well, kind of. Like really artificial blueberry.
The inside is pretty good.
It's like jam.
Yeah. Was a bit sour.
You wanted yeah, you like sour stuff.
Yeah. But they
Fluffy.
are, like marshmallows are always so sweet, so it's kind of like, oh.
Here we have ice creams. Sort of ice cream. I think it's candy ice cream. Dry and warm. Or not really warm, but
it looks a bit
lukewarm.
weird.
It's
What's
actually
your flavor?
Yeah.
Double choco banana. And mine is cookie and cream flavor.
Shit, that's tiny.
It looks like dried ice cream. Look at it. Oh.
That's disgusting. Sorry, I just can't do that. That's nasty. I don't usually have a weak stomach for stuff like this, but it just grew in my mouth. Okay, let's do it one more time.
The consistency is very weird. Like
3, 2, 1. Yeah.
No.
The consistency is totally killing me.
It's all falling apart.
But it's so dry.
Yeah, it's very dry. And like...
It just dries you out. It's like they took an ice cream and just sucked all the moisture out of it.
Oh no. Yeah, no.
It's like a chocolate covered cracker thing, I think.
Thinking.
Like Twix.
It smells like...
I hate strawberry
Me too.
flavored chocolate stuff. Whoa, that's intense.
It smells like gum, like strawberry, like bubble gum.
Yeah. Chocolate.
It's very buttery. We have
Next up,
another
we have
flavor.
Well,
The same thing, but it is vanilla.
it's just nothing. These ones look fun. Like they look
Chocolate
cool.
flavor. Oh, these are...
Multiple flavors.
It looks like almost the same as the
Marshmallow
with
thing.
blueberry.
Okay, they're a bit fragile.
Or it just melted.
It's
Because
stuck
the weather
to...
is hot here in Sweden. Oh. It's so sweet. Looks like poo.
Oh. Yes. That wasn't so bad.
I don't like it. This is our next one. Oh, it's like...
Whoa, you got a sauce?
American cheese sauce. Ooh,
Very nice.
amazing. Oh, wait, sorry, I'm trying to... These are kind of good.
Yeah.
It's
That's
not
not
very
cheese.
cheese. It's more like a weird mustard.
Hey, that's why it's good. It's Calbee. Ignore my
It's like a hot dog.
chivalrous. Yeah, it is like a hot dog.
It's not the best sauce, but I like that you got a sauce with it.
Yeah, the concept is
Yeah.
sort of tasteless French fries, but it's nice because you got a sauce with it.
Yeah.
Other than that,
These
not sure.
just looks a bit crazy. I don't know if they might be sour, I guess.
Yeah, he's still knocking over.
Oh, it's not blueberry, it's
grapes.
grapes, yeah. It feels like it's like a powder or something. Ooh!
Whoa!
Oh, they remind me of where did we live?
Holy
Japan,
shit! What is
Tokyo.
that?
Smell it. It's like Tokyo.
Yeah.
Artificial
Look
weirdness.
at that. It's like
Oh,
navelludd.
it's like sockervadd.
Cotton candy.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
It's cotton candy with Pop Rocks
Yeah.
with great taste. That's actually good.
With grape taste.
Oh, these are good.
Yeah. I'm so watery. We have another
No.
flavor. So what flavor could this be? It's like a drink flavor.
I think it says.
It's a drink.
Yeah, I know what it says.
No, okay, I'm gonna guess and then you can tell me if it's right or not.
Yeah.
It smells good.
You can tell by the picture actually.
Green drink.
Wow.
This is good.
No, this was good. Not as good as that one.
Yeah.
This is like toilet cleaner.
No. It's like apple. Melon.
Melon soda.
Melon soda! That's very Japanese. But I preferred the green one.
I
You
like the
preferred-
grape ones. Yeah. They were great.
We have this bag.
Yeah, it says yogurt.
Yogurt flavored candy.
Why wouldn't they make it the other way around?
These are tiny!
Whoa! That's so small.
Cute! Ooh.
Oh, that was my cheek.
I don't like it very much. It just grows in your mouth.
It's not that bad.
But it's bad.
It's like toffee with a bit of a acidic taste instead of sweet. But it's still sweet.
Think about vomit. I thought it tasted like vomit a bit.
Really?
Yeah.
I think it was pretty good.
The only thing I can read on this bag is delicious.
Delicious. Delicious. It's just like rows and
That's the
rows
only
of-
thing you need to know. It's like gummy bears. This is orange, I think. Smells good.
I'm not sure if it's my fingers or all the other candy. It smells like teriyaki. What does it smell like?
Can I hold it myself? Yeah, it's your fingers.
It smells like teriyaki or something.
Okay, let's try it. Cheers.
No, that's it. Those were not good.
What?
Didn't like them at all. It was like...
Gummy bears.
No.
Yeah.
It was just like...
Oh.
tasted like cheap candy.
Yeah, that's true.
Shit, how much do you have?
A
Like,
lot.
this is never ending.
No. Okay, so I have a few of these. Okay, so these are blueberry bubble gum. Gone. It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the lychee one.
Lychee.
Those tasted like lychee a lot, like the real fruit.
Yeah, it did.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, it's good. He's a Japanese from Thailand.
Oh, cute.
You can really hear you chewing.
I don't want to eat this.
Can you even spit it out? Mine just disappeared.
It tastes like really bad chocolate, like bad chocolate.
Really?
Like the ones you get in your advent calendar on Christmas, like really like
Oh, but I always kind of like them.
Okay, I hate them. These are the ones that I look forward to the most. They look like this.
Gummy unicorn.
Yeah! It's like a few of them in each
Holy shit,
tiny
that
bag.
smells so strong.
Oh lord! Oh,
Super
they're
soft.
hard.
Like super soft. Yours?
Sugary.
And yours were hard. I don't mind skipping out on these, like the rest of it.
No, I think we could skip.
It's just sugar.
Choco cashew.
Choco cashew. Choco cashew.
Choco cashew.
Choco cashew.
It'll help.
I hope it would spray more.
Oh, so sweet. I could see myself during that week of the month just going to our like candy drawer and finding these ones and be like chocolate, and yeah, that could happen.
So we are saving those.
I'm saving those.
Oh, it's sushi on the backside.
Yeah.
Like California roll. Oh, on the front as well. And also they seem to be sprinkled with seaweed. They're really thick. I kind of like them.
But you like seaweed, so
Yeah, good. I'm getting full.
Let's try this. We only have 2 left. So, these are the Sweet Rainbow Queen. Okay, so what color do you want? The green one?
I want a yellow one.
Yellow?
I'm sick of green.
Here's a yellow shrimp or something. Okay.
I could not place that taste at all.
No.
It was sweet.
Intetsägande. The last one is gelatin gummy jelly dessert. Center filled with pectin grape flavor.
It looks really cool. Like if it looks like a hazy translucent kind of shell with something purple inside.
I hope that it's not like the marshmallow ones.
Yeah, I hope it's translucent and cool as fuck.
Ooh, can you smell that?
Wow. It's like grapes. No, it smells like some detergent or something.
It's not like a paste inside.
No, that's a lie.
Yeah.
It tastes like grape though.
So sweet.
Extremely sweet. That was a really bad ending.
My back hurts.
Yeah, mine too. I can't sit straight for that long. I need to sit like this, otherwise I'm not feeling well. I'm just not feeling well. Thank you for watching us eat candy. Like, that's not...
Yeah, I've never done anything like this on my channel, so I don't know if you like it or not, but I hope that it was entertaining, maybe.
Yeah. Also, drop a comment about the background. If we should do more of that stuff, or if you'd rather see our bedroom.
Yeah.
Or some wall. Until next time. Bye! Some other time I have a secret for you.